Hello children, good morning to one and all. Today we will start our next lesson, lesson 5 MS Paint. So MS Paint means Microsoft Paint is an application software used to draw and paint. The program may be in color mode or two color, black and white. Other name of MS Paint is paintbrush. Now to start MS Paint, first you have to click on start button in start button. Then after start button you have to go to all program. After going all program, a list of program will be there. In that you have to click accessories. After clicking accessories, you go to paint. In this way you will open the paint program. Otherwise, if you click other way, if you click on the start button, a program list will be in front of you. If it is not in the left pane, then you have to click all program. Otherwise, here like this paint is there. If you click on that, MS Paint will be open for you. Now this type of window will be in front of you. The paint windows open. Here you can see the ribbon has tabs for different activities. Means a ribbon is a graphical control element in the form of set of toolbars. Here you can see toolbar is there that we call the ribbon. Here we will find set of toolbars. Now the Quick Access toolbar. This Quick Access toolbar has commonly used commands like save, undo and redo. And you can add other commands also to this toolbar. Here one example is given. First you have to click on the rotate. Okay, then in rotate, then after clicking on rotate, right click on the flip horizontal here. Then you can again, it will be when you right click, again a menu will be appear in front of you. In that you click on add to Quick Access toolbar. Then you will see in your Quick Access toolbar a flip horizontal command is there, this one, that will be in the Quick Access toolbar. For that we don't have to go to the rotate menu. Directly we can use this command from the title bar, or we say that Quick Access toolbar. You can use different tools to draw in paint, and it can have different colors. You can fill different colors, and to draw you can choose pencil, brushes of different thickness. Means if you want less thickness, you can choose from that option. And paint has many ready-made shapes tools. Already it has shape tools. Now how to draw a square, rectangle, triangle, circles, you will study in this lesson. So using this tool you can draw all these shapes. Now let us learn how to draw or use shape group. Now to draw polygon tool, You can use the polygon tool to draw shapes that have 3 or more sides. How you can draw? First, you have to click on the polygon tool. Okay. Here is your polygon tool. This one. First you click on that. Then you come to the window. Desktop, sorry. Then you keep your pointer here and drag it in this way to the first side of the shape. Now click at another point to draw the next side. Like first we have drawn in this way, then you can draw like this. Now continue adding. If you want to make a shape like this, you can continue. Then after this, double click to connect the last point to the first. When we double click here, that this will connect to the first line. Okay. This draw the last sides of the shape. Then when you double click, that last line will join to the first line and the last side of the shape will be drawn. Now you had seen this box. Okay, dotted line you are seeing now, dotted box around it, that show that the shape is selected, and whatever changes you want to do its outline you can do. Even you can fill what is while it remains selected. Till it is selected, you can do whatever you want to do the shape. You can do this with any shape, whether it is triangle, rectangle, with a tool from the shape group. This is your shape group. From here you can take any shape. Now, how to choose the line style of a shape? You can choose the line style of a shape before you draw it. First, what you have to do? You have to click on polygon. Okay, or whatever shape you want, you click on that. After that, in the shape groups, click on shape outline. Shape group is given, outline is here. You click on that and you will get a list of line style. Here full group it is given, line style. Whatever you want to select, you can select one. And if you don't want any outline, you can select no outline. Then click on size and select the thickness of line. Here size is there. Then how much broad, how much thick you want the line, that you can select from here. Then click on color and choose the color of the line. Now you can draw the shape. In that color you will draw the shape. Now here you have seen it is green in color, it is blue in color, whatever color. And the thickness also you have seen how much thickness the line is. Okay, in this way you can draw the line style of a shape. Now how to fill style of a shape, means how to color your shape. You can also choose the fill style of a shape before you draw it. First what you have to do, again first you have to choose any shape from a closed figure. Then you have to select the line style, same way. Okay, in shape group you have to fill shape. Shape fill will be there, that you have to click. Then again there will be a list of fill styles. Okay, then if you want to select, you can select one. If you don't want to fill color, you can click on the no fill. Then click on color 2, not color 1. You have to click on color 2. and choose the color of the fill. What you want to fill the shape with the color, you can choose that color. Okay, after that your whatever you will draw the shape will be colored like this. You have seen here your outline is also with that color and your shape is also filled with that color only. Here red color is there, so red color. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose it from here. So many colors are given here, you can choose whatever color you want. Thank you.